right, everybody, and welcome to this section, which is going to be step 2 in our process. And this is going to be how we set up our custom audiences, okay, in Facebook to market just the people we want on Facebook. And this is very important because now that we've sent good data from Google Shopping of purchasers and Google search of purchasers, people that have this intent, right? Intent driven traffic going to the pixel, we're able to create these custom audiences of those people and then create lookalikes of them. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a new audience, and it's going to be a custom audience. Now, when this loads, we are going to go to website traffic. Okay. And the first ones, it's basically 3 different custom audiences I make for the front end, and then 3 different for the back end. Okay. So what we're going to do, okay, we're going to select, okay, and the first 3 that we're going to build are add to cart, initiate checkout, and purchasers. Okay. So we're going to go in here and select from your events, add to cart in the past 180 days. And we are going to refine this by a URL parameter of just, okay, so say it was demo.com / keto meter, right, is your product page, right? So you're going to hit enter. And only the people that have added to cart in the past 180 days from this page are going to be added. Now, one other thing that we want to do, okay, is we want to exclude people as well, okay? And we want to exclude, okay, people that purchased in 180 days, refine by the same URL. Right? We don't want to count people that have already purchased. Okay? And then we simply name our audience. Add to cart. We'll just say keto meter. Add to cart. 180 days. And we're going to hit create audience. So now that we have our audience, what we're going to do is we're going to use Facebook's system to find exact people that look exactly like that now on the Facebook platform. So we're going to leverage our Google data, right? And we're going to now advertise on Facebook for that. So we are going to click in. We're going to create a lookalike, right? Now, we want to use United States because that's the region of our data. Okay, and now we want to select 6 different lookalikes. Okay, you can do all of 10. You know, a lot of times I'll do that. I'll create a second set and create 10 audiences, and we're going to hit create audience. So now we've got lookalikes of exactly the people that Google sent over that were actually in the market looking for the product, saw the ad, clicked on it, and added to cart. Just those people. We're going to take just this sliver of people, right? And you don't have to worry about age groups. You don't have to worry about any of those things because we're taking an exact copy of the data that Google sent over. Google is the best search engine that is out there, and you leverage the power of their search engine to create custom audiences. Now, the next set we're going to create would be initiate checkout. Same thing, just instead of add to cart, we're going to change to initiate checkouts. And we're also going to make a group for purchasers. Okay, now it will take you some data. See how it says below 1,000? It'll take a while to populate this, right? The first ones to come to fruition will be add to carts. Those are fairly easy to do. Typically, you'll need, over 100, but, I like to get around 500 add to carts before I start making audiences of them, and it'll work very, very well for you. Now, the other thing we're going to do is we're going to create our retargeting ads as well. So, because you want these building. So, we're going to go in here and we are going to go people who visited a specific web page, okay, that contains the URL that we're looking for. But we're only going to select 3 days. right? We're going to break these down. So let's say demo.ketometer, right? And we're going to exclude our purchasers. Of demo.ketometer. And that's going to just be the URL. You can copy and paste that from your actual website. And what we're going to name this is 3-day keto retarget. Right? And we're going to hit save. And now we have our retarget. So what we're going to do is we're going to do one for 5-day website traffic, people who visited a specific page in the last 5 days. That contains demo.ketometer. Exclude people who purchased that product. All right, and you're gonna name that 5-day keto retarget. All right, and you're gonna create that audience as well. And you're gonna do it once more, okay, for 7 days, okay? And we want these audiences to start building, okay? That way we can target just these people with specific offers to get them to come back to our site. And in our email swipe section, we're also going to tailor make, special coupon codes to win them back. We want to get this traffic back. And you'll find it will take a few days of that running, and it will start to really take off for you. So, there we have, you want to build 6 different audiences: add to cart, initiate checkout, purchasers for specific products. Then we're going to create for specific pages 3-day, 5-day, and 7-day retargeting audiences. And that's going to be the basics of how to kick off your Facebook campaign. So in the next video, what I'm going to show you is how to build that first campaign and how to start the whole system. So I will see you in the next video.